Wow, what a turbo speed! Woo, what a turbo jump! Today, you will witness a great turbo challenge. But you know guys, in order to do that, first of all we have to build the track. Okay, let's get to building! The first thing that I will do is I will set up the starting point. After that, we have this beautiful big icy mountain. And the engines will go down and face the breakaway bridge. Yeah, let's install it over here. Nice! What else? Oh, let's install the speed section with tunnels. The engines will be checking their speed in here. And in order to check the engine's drifting skills, we will install the turnaround at the very end of this section. Good, let's continue. Oh, you know what? I have one more breakaway bridge. Let's put it over here. Yeah, that's the good place for the bridge. And at the crossroads, we'll install tunnels. Good, that looks nice. Oh, hold on a second. To get over these tunnels, we need to install 2 up and down sections. Yeah, that's the name of these sections. Very good. Oh, you know what? In order to check which team is the fastest one, we need to install the checkpoint at the very end of the track. Cool, the track is ready. Let's get started. The team of Turbo Percy, the Turbo Diesels team, the team of Turbo Thomas, and the Great Race Engines team. And also the United team of Turbo Engines. Welcome to the Team Relay Challenge. All aboard! Ooh, ooh! Freddy, that is in the Turbo Percy's team, is beginning the competition. The broken bridge is ahead. Look out, Freddy! The next one is Turbo Percy. Wow, what a speed! What a sharp turnaround! Wow, Yonbao now! Come on, buddy! The result of the team depends only on you now. Come on, come on! Push it! Excellent! Turbo Percy's team result is 46 seconds. Good job, engines! And now give it up to Turbo Thomas's team, including Ryan and Lexi. Wow, icy mountain drift! Phew! And the broken bridge ahead. Come on, Ryan! Well done, buddy! Now it's Turbo Thomas's turn. Wow, that's a real turbo speed performed by a real turbo engine. And now Lexi's taking up the relay. My friends, tell us about the team you root for in the comments. Thank you. A little more to go, and that's the finish. Thomas's team result is 45 seconds. Excellent job! 2 teams finished their performances. And now it's the turn of the next 2 teams. Philip from the Turbo Diesels team is on the track now. Come on, Philip! Be careful! The broken bridge is behind, and now Turbo Diesel is receiving the relay. Wow, what an incredible speed is demonstrated by all the turbo engines today. The last member of the Turbo Diesel's team, Diesel 10, getting the relay and quickly, well, not that much quickly, moving towards the finish. So, the result of the turbo diesel steam is 47 seconds. It's on the left now to find out which result will be achieved by the great race engine steam. Etienne is successfully passing his section and giving the relay to shooting star Gordon. From the very start, Gordon is gaining his maximum speed. It is clearly seen he is definitely set to show his best result. Now it's Spencer's turn, but at full speed is moving to the finish. Full steam ahead, Spencer, come on! Yay! The checkered flag is up. The great race team's result is 45 seconds. Wow! You just take a look at how tight the results are. And now the team of turbo engines. Let's go! Percy's starting, gaining some speed, and wow! Woohoo! What a flying jump! That's just unbelievable! Thomas on the speed section. Turbo drift. What a tremendous speed! Go, Thomas, go! And now Turbo Diesel is taking the relay and rushing to the finish at full speed. Yay! 21 seconds! Unbelievable! Today, we have witnessed an outstanding performance. The turbo engines have demonstrated their spectacular racing skills. Let's say thank you to the contenders for such a splendid show. I had a lot of fun today, and I hope you liked it too. Thank you kids for being with us today. Subscribe, put your likes, share this video and press on the bell. See you soon!